innovation.
Your guy, lady.
How is you?
I'm fine.
Happy New Year.
Same to you.
What will be the best thing will happen to you for 2015?
Actually, I traveled to Abuja.
Oh, you've never go Abuja before?
Yes, I never go Abuja before.
Congratulations!
Yes.
Congratulations to you too.
My brother, when you come go abroad, when you come go abroad, what do you go do?
So I go there a few. Let me do it easy bit. I want to do it easy bit.
You want Mariam?
I hear you. Good evening.
I want Mariam.
Calm down. Calm down.
Easy bit, you don't get Bella this year. So what will be your New Year resolution, Ibrahim? What will be your New Year resolution?
As in, like, let me just say, I'm trying to move forward, sharp.
But I'm going to move forward out of our line. Oh? Move forward. Good night. Move forward. Move forward now. Start them now. You see me, move forward. Go.
Okay.
Move forward now. On top of Bookie, good evening. Bookie, don't come back. Maybe she won't book us now.
Bookie. That time.
Bookie.
What didn't go hold her tongue that time?
Bookie. I mean, that Bookie won't talk, but she won't book us. Now make her the run. No. Call us back. My New Year's resolution is na kind high way I dey take slap.
I don't know what you are seeing. My best moment for 2015 is that God blessed me with a baby boy.
Sonny Ijele, congratulations to your baby. Congratulations. My best video for 2015 is Rabba by DJ Shabzi. Thank you. Nice video. It was a nice video too. Yes. A nice video.
The video is so deep.
So deep. Now, dope, not be dupe. They don't dupe anybody for that video. And then wishing DJ Easy Pete wonderful birthday. Don't pass.
It don't pass now.
Thank you.
Where went you?
Thank you.
On January 1st.
Happy New Year. My New Year resolution now to excel in my academics and make una help me wish Ofure Gold. Happy New Year. Ofure
We don't greet them now before for you.
Maybe not babe, we're in the toast.
I don't know.
Ofure Gold, Happy New Year. We don't hear them now. And then my New Year resolution is to make happiness my priority. Rita, it's important because. I'm going to go our next video now. Our next video now, Luku by Mavins. Now one of the hit videos for 2015. When we come back, we continue it.
Long. No, I don't know what they look. It's not long.
It's not too long. So you can make a long now.
We don't see longer necks, brother, in this industry. This neck is a beautiful representation. It be like, say, God, yours.
But what's it going to make her neck long that day? Maybe not because of my headies. Maybe she did.
No, apart from that.
She didn't come for the headies.
Maybe not
she didn't come for the headies.
Now the hair styling and everything. If to say she leave her hair.
Dija, we love you. We love you so much. On the next show, we love you,
we go find and come on top
we'll carry you come very soon. We love you. On top Twitter. Favor Nicholas. Hey, see messages. Jesus. My best 2015. What's that from Obiko? What?
You too. My best 2015 moment is a gift of baby as December gift. So what came us go talk now?
Congratulations. No, Kemos. Oh, my brother Kemos. Now that we know say Kemos the wife. Kemos go come with that in class. But they tell us say not the wife.
They play guitar.
They play guitar. If you see woman, they go a campus. We don't say the guy they do burglary proof for house. Burglary proof. Last time you reduce. I got the best triumph 2015, and I break up with
my ex-girlfriend. And got to be the best salesman of 2015 in the company. Hope for 2016 is to spread. My brother, only you.
So, now be simple, the girl be the bad luck.
So,
because when you break up, so, it's then a breakthrough, triumph. As you break up with the girlfriend, they can't get double promotion. My brother, congratulations,
but Daniel say my New Year resolution is to become officer of the Nigerian Safety Chapel. By my best 2015 moment, now when I celebrate my birthday, December 5.
You go become that best thing where you look for. Amen.
Florence baby say 2016 resolution is to make new friends and teach them the right things and to be closer to God and all his works. Grace Finn say my New Year resolution is to love my husband like never before because he's my all in all. God will keep him for me. You yours they realize.
Amen. Okay, they here.
Abase ya say Benny cool. I feel your beats. Easy bit, cause it pop my heart. My New Year resolution is to be single.
Now, guy be this. He's to be single.
He's
I
to be
wonder what
single.
the guy do for 2015.
I don't know. When Lincoln decides, say 2016, he want to be single.
He was double.
It was double.
But Daniel say my New Year resolution na the kind high where I take slap my elder brother. By the way, I suffer blow chopping. How you know go suffer am?
You leave that one.
Watch you live in Ghana. I love your show. Say Godfred.
Oh, Charlie, thank you.
Faithful say I will come visit una for Holland. Katim, your address makes sense. Thank a lot. I'm gonna visit you guys in Holland. Easy
I
be
beg
like,
not to come visit us. None of us spoil work for us.
I don't know.
I beg.
I don't know.
We just they go there, go work. Mona not come spoil work for our Holland for us. So leave us for our Holland.
Leave us and our whole. Is it your Holland?
It's not your Holland. It's our Holland. So therefore, I beg. Easy beat. Oga Jeff will go call.
Okay. Just be there like luku.
Look, like I see.
Just sit. That's
from
just
Lagos.
sit.
Good evening, Biko.
Hello?
Hello.
What they do?
Organidu.
How I think say they do for now. For not talk to you now. Martins, good evening.
Organidu.
Oga Martins.
How is you?
I'm fine. Happy New Year.
Thanks to you, Auntie Kathleen.
Yost.
I dey greet you.
I dey greet you, sir.
What will be the best thing will happen to you for 2015?
You blow a thing. You hammer pieces.
The things happen, I tell you. After they mention them, I know just no but this 2016, I must buy my own Jeep, sha.
You must buy your own wedding.
My Jeep, I want to buy Morano Jeep.
Jeep.
Receive it. You know, God.
More drum for you.
You know where, Lala.
Congratulations, you go get them. No worries, you go get them.
Go get them. It's gone.
Easy beef.
Yes, boss.
I did hear you.
Hey, boss. Happy New Year.
It's too much, Jerry. Thanks to you. I beg you, not allow me to be tell you nonsense. Nothing they do get bad mouth.
Abi.
Now your bad mouth.
I don't know.
Now your bad mouth.
Not true.
But for good night.
Go
buy side mirror. Then buy spoke. Buy a small. Obiora.
Mommy Gondo.
Obiora.
Yes?
How is you?
Yeah, my best moment, I entered my house.
Oh!
No be God.
Now God will win for you, Obiora.
Now God will win, no.
You don't build your house, so God will win.
Obiora, you don't build your house, so God will win it. No more another wife, oh.
Amarachi say, he said 2000. My best moment for 2015 was the Cool FM press jam. I watched it live from Canada.
Oh.
Thanks and God blessed you guys.
So therefore, thank you very much. Everybody, when you be said tweet us, we call us today.
Yes.
God bless you. We go continue tomorrow.
Yes.
But more talk Mrs. Eze before
my
we go.
best
Madam
video
Eze.
was Jagaban.
Mrs. Eze.
Yeah.
Mrs. Eze. Going. Mrs. Eze.
Going.
Gone. Mrs. Eze, we will continue tomorrow for this thing we will talk. What will be your best 2015 moments and your 2016 resolution? And we'll continue for our best 2015 videos. We'll still get other
wow,
videos.
This man. Every time you don't greet everybody inside this Twitter. You first talk say you need a resolution and how to learn to be DJ. Then you come say make we wish who? We don't wish enough. It's okay.
Leave them. Remember, because we call the first one, this say you go call the second one. We will not call it for you. So therefore, all of now when they wish us well for our whole land, the same thing go come to now.
Yes.
That's why they beef us for our whole land. Look, see. It's a bit play that song.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.